to Talk 20 channel. Today on my channel, I'll be teaching you how to prepare crab stew with fried yam. It is yummy, it is tasty, especially for those of you who love seafood. Come with me while I show you the ingredients I will be using today. I've got my crab ready. It is washed, clean, ready to go into my pot. I've got tomato ready. I've got bell pepper, scotch bonnet, and onion ready. I've got my seasoning cube ready. I have also got my olive oil ready. I've got salt to taste ready and yam. This is yam for those of you that don't know. Today I'll be using this blender right here because it will help my pepper to be roughly blended because I want to feel the roughness in my tomato sauce. Now right here I've got my cooking pot ready, but you know what guys, today we shall be gisting while we cook. First I'm going to start by blending the tomatoes. As you can see, peppers are blending already. Now I'm going to start my story. The story is about a lady who shows love to her friends, always there when her friends need her. She's been there when her friends were happy. She shared in their pains. She was there when they were celebrating. Always there whenever they need her. Whenever they need help, they call her. She's there for them. She's there. She guides them. She advises them. Shows them love. She's such a kind-hearted person. But she says she discovered that whenever she needs them, they are never there. She said the time of her celebration, she wanted her friends to be there to celebrate with her. They were never there. She said the time of her pain, she wanted her friends to be there for her. They were never there. She said at a point, she went as far as asking herself, how long am I going to hang around friends that don't care about me, friends that don't show me love, friends that are never there to support me emotionally? So she decided, you know what, I'm just going to stay away and focus on God, allowing God to be my helper. And indeed, she said since she stepped away and focused on God, God has been the one sending helpers from nowhere to help her. She also said these friends went as far as saying ill things about her behind her, and they also planned to cause her pain. Guys, what do you think? What is your thoughts about the story? And what advice can you give to this lady? As she said, she don't care what they think about her as long as God knows her heart and God knows that she has been nothing but good to them. She said whatever evil they plot against her will backfire on their head. Guys, what do you think? What are your thoughts about the story? Please go to the comment section and share your thoughts. Give this lady advice on what you think she should do. I'm sure somebody out there might be having similar experience and will read your comment, and the comment will help them. As you can see, I have added my olive oil in the pot. I waited for a while, added my onion, allowed the onion for 1 minute, and then I added my blended tomatoes. Now I allowed it to fry for 5 minutes before adding my tomato puree. I added it, allowed it to fry for at least 3 minutes before adding my seasoning. In goes my curry powder. I'm going to stir, and also in goes my seasoning cube, stir, and also in goes my salt to taste. Stir and allow for at least 1 more minute before adding crab. Now the sauce are fried for 1 more minute, so I'm now going to add my crab. In goes my crab. Look at that. It is looking yummy. Seafood is yummy, especially when you know what to do with them. With this, honestly, you will love it. It's heaven. Now back to the story. My advice would be for this lady to be happy. Always go to where you're celebrated. Stick with those that love you. Stick with those that care for you. If somebody is giving you a sign of disrespect, no love, no care, and they're not giving you back the same thing you're giving to them, I would rather you pray for them and your relationship should be from a distance. You don't want to be around people that are pretending to care for you but they don't really care for you. Your focus should be on God, because with God, His love is endless. He's always there to uphold you when you need Him. He's always there to send you a helper whenever you need one. I'm not saying having a friend is bad, but when you want to have a friend, you don't want to be around friends that are users. Rather, do you want to be around friends that look for every slight opportunity to bring you down so as to exalt themselves and make themselves important before people? It's very important that we are careful of the people we bring around us. That is my advice for you now. Be happy and always look back, count your blessings and rejoice. Count your blessings, name them one by one, and it will indeed surprise you what the Lord has done for you. Until you begin to look back and count your blessing, you might not know that God has done a lot for you. Yeah, that's all I have for you today. So let's focus on our cooking, and please guys, don't forget to go and share your thoughts in regards to today's story. Yeah, looking at my sauce, you can see how inviting, how delicious, how sumptuous it is looking. I'm going to allow the sauce to fry for 5 more minutes and my crab stew will be ready. While our crab stew is cooking, I'm now going to start peeling the skin of our yam because it's time to fry yam. As you can see, the skin is off. I'm now going to cut it into 3 pieces. Continue the same process, drop in the water. Wash the yam at least 3 times to ensure your yam is clean and there are no sand in it. For some people, they add salt before frying, and for some, they don't bother adding any salt. It's fine, it's okay, depending on your preference. For me today, I am not adding salt to my yam. I'm just gonna fry it like that. Now my pan is on the cooker and I've already added oil. I'm going to allow it to heat up a little bit before adding my yam. Now I'm not going to drop in my yam because the oil is hot and ready. It takes only 2 minutes for the yam to be ready. Allow to fry for 1 minute and then turn it to the other side. Allow to fry for 1 more minute and the yam will be ready. Yam is ready, so I'm now going to remove the yam, and as you can see, the yam is crispy on both sides and looking really nice. You're going to continue the same process until you finish frying the whole yam you have in your bowl. Right, food will be ready soon and it will be served. Look at that, food is ready and it is served. Isn't this sumptuous? Isn't this inviting? Honestly, you cannot go wrong having this kind of meal on your table after a busy day at work. You need this kind of meal to relax. Trust me, it is yummy. What are you waiting for? Have you already subscribed to my channel? If not, go to the right side of your phone. You will see subscribe. Tap on that button and you will be subscribed to this channel. Also turn on the notification button so whenever I post my video, you will always be notified. Do not forget to share, don't forget to like, and also do not forget to tell somebody, to tell somebody, to tell somebody. Thank you for watching my video, everyone, and do not forget to share your thoughts in regards to the story. Thank you all and have a beautiful new week. God bless you all. See you soon. Bye. Ciao.